Hello, this is old Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I love this package. It's handy. The only thing I need to bring along with me is my phone, and so that's part of the reason why I wanted one of these, because I've got a Mavic 2 Zoom, but I have a whole bunch of accessories that have to go along with that, and it's a larger package. So the reason for this video is I want to show you some things that old guys might appreciate. And so, you know, like my hands shake. My hands have been shaking ever since I was in my 30s at least. And so that didn't come with old age. But anyway, so if my hand shakes, I guess you could say a long time ago I became handicapped. That's a joke. Okay, so what I want to show you is, if you take a look inside of here, and there's hundreds of videos on YouTube about the Mavic Mini, okay? And this is designed so that my phone goes in here, okay? And so everybody knows how that works. But one of the things that us older guys, gotta go to one more thing first. Let's just let's get rid of all my messages here. Let's go back a little bit. One of the things that I can't do with my shaky hands is I can't catch the Mavic Mini. I've tried and tried, but I just get my fingers into props and everything. So turns out, let me put this over here, I end up having to use my landing pad, okay? Because I don't want to get little speckles of dust into the gimbal, all right? But this package, which you can get on Amazon, I also carry other things. By the way, I have a video on why I use the chains. I don't have to use pegs. I can set this up on top of a hard rock, and you know, the breeze won't blow it away and everything like that. So I've got a video on that. It's called Chain Down Your Landing Pad. But also this little package makes it nice, because then I can carry this, which is for mounting my tablet. Let me grab my tablet here. Okay, so there's my iPad, and then this makes it so I can mount that, and we'll set that over there. But also I can carry my get that open without breaking it, carry my reflectors, and I can also carry, where is it? It's in here somewhere. Yeah, it's here. Now this is what I use to in Arizona we have so much bright sunshine that you need a sunshade. Get that over there. You need a sunshade for your phone. And so, you know, I'll have to put links down on where to get all these things. The only thing is, if you use this sunshade, then you have to get another cable. You can get these on Amazon, or there's another a Drone Valley. They sell them, and theirs are custom made for drones. This is just an extension one I got off of Amazon. Okay, so you're going to need one of those if you use this with the sunshade. But what us old guys have is a problem with is the difference between, we'll put him there, between that size and this size of viewing surface. Okay, so what I want to show you is some of the things that I've done in order to make it easier to see and to touch the pad. So we'll put this over here, and I'll set up here. Now that's what this little deal here is for, mounting your iPad or tablet of any kind. Actually, I got this before I had an iPad. I was using an Android. And so then this stretches out, and so this just snaps on here like that, and then you screw that down tight. Okay, then that goes, I won't set up everything, I'll just put it in here. Well, get these a little closer together. You slide it into the notches And got them just right. Okay, then you just push that all the way up, and you mount your tablet there. And okay, so you mount your tablet like so. There we go. Okay. The only thing is when I go out in the hot or the bright sunlight here in Arizona, as you can see, it works pretty nice. Although I don't have everything tightened up. Then we run into problems because the glare of the sun messes this up. So I've got a video for putting chains on your on your landing pad. I've got a video for a lot of things. But anyway, one of the other videos that I have is for making a sunshade. Get this put together here. Making a sunshade for your tablet. And so this goes here. And also for this, you also need the extender cable. You need, I think that's a 9-inch cable. But the cable that comes with the controller is just too short for using a tablet or for using the iPad or the iPhone sunshield. So you will have to get that to go along with these other things that I'm showing you. So anyway, those are some things that help us old guys, and this still mounts in the. Let me put it in there so that you can see with my shaky hands. It still mounts in there just fine, and you pull back on that thing and it clamps, and you're ready to go. And you can still control your. You got a larger visual picture to look at while you're flying. And some guys just don't have good eyesight, and so it might come in handy for, people of all ages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and by the way, I'm just using the microphone on the GoPro. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and fly with the tablet and make a screenshot so you can see how that works, and we'll do that next. All right. So let's move on. One thing I forgot to mention was when I carry my tablet with me to the park, it's a little more clumsy because if you can see, there's a bicycle behind me right there, and I can strap my belt through the loop on my landing pad case, and I have a strap to go around my neck for the Mavic Mini, and then trying to pack the tablet is a little more inconvenient, but it works really well. One of the things that didn't work out on this video is underneath of that cap, there's a cap cam, a small one, and a Mobius, and it works really well, but I didn't get it aimed far enough down, so I wasn't able to give you a picture of where my fingers are tapping the screen. But as you can see, it's easy for me to reach around on the screen that's that size rather than trying to tap things on the phone. The phone is so small that a lot of times I hit the wrong thing. And maybe you do too. I don't know. I feel like sometimes I'm the only guy doing this. But anyway, there I'm looking at the map and just enjoying flying around for a minute before I land this thing. Oh, by the way, the landing pad, when we come around here, we're going to turn around and come back. The landing pad is laying there in my driveway. There's no spikes or tent pegs sticking it into the concrete. It's just laying there, and there's a little breeze today, as you'll see. So the any kind of chain or fish weights, if you can get some fish weights that you can put on your landing pad, that'll keep it so that it doesn't blow away when it's breezy. And also you can use it anywhere. You don't have to be where, like if you're at the beach and it's all sandy, this works pretty good, just having weights on the 3 points where you would normally use tent pegs. Well, anyway, so there you go. You can use your tablet with your Mavic Mini, and especially if you have a hard time using the little touch points on the phone, tablet is the way to go. So as we land here, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.